This is the intro. Enjoy.
Hey guys, Demon here. Just looking at stuff. Looking at the sky and stuff. It's a pretty nifty sky looking. Imagine if you came outside and saw that. Imagine if you came outside and saw the whole world looking like this. You'd probably ask yourself, what's wrong with my eyes? Or what's wrong with the world? Or did I get put into a genjutsu by Itachi? That reference to Naruto, if you didn't know that. So you look at your feet and you're like, whoa, my feet, whoa. Dude. That sky, look at that sky. Zara. Oh man, the grass is green and purple. That tree is blue and nice. Hey, look, those two birds right there. I can't zoom in, but there's another one right there. You see it? It's that white thing right there. Oh, it's moving. Oh, it moved away. Those two haven't. Let's cut it off and go to the real cat.
I was to get it just in time. Zoom in. You grainy motherfucker. I wish my camera was better. I'm working on getting another one, guys. Don't worry about it. Where are the other birds? I got a bunch of weeds in that garden right there, man. Next year, after winter, I'm gonna try to plant some shit in there. And not just weeds. There's one. Right there. He's a secret motherfucker. And there's one in that building over there. You can barely see him because he's so camouflaged. There ones flew past. They're camouflaged. Camouflaged. These camouflaged birds. Man, it looks nice this way, but as soon as I zoom in, looks really grainy. I'm holding it perfectly still and it's still grainy as all fuck. Grainy cell phone camera. Camouflaged. Hey, there's my foot again. Yeah. Ooh. There's a tree. It's a tree all the way to the top. The sky doesn't look as cool anymore. It looked cooler. I can see the clouds, but I can't see the stars, guys. I can see the clouds with this camera, but not the stars. Eventually, guys, I'll get a camera that's way better. And then you guys will be like, wow, that camera's way better. Alright. My Insanians. My subscribe-ins. There's a bird in that tree. Let's go see if we can zoom in on it. Where'd you go? There. We see ya. We see ya. We did. He's still in there somewhere. Oh, he disappeared, guys. Alright, guys. Oh, there he is. He's back, that little turkey. Where the fuck you go? Yeah, whatever. He's gone. Okay, guys. Stay sane. Peace. Demon out. Hey guys, D-Man here. Just remind you to like, comment, and share this video. And also, subscribe to my channel by clicking this thing right here. Or, going down there and clicking the subscribe button, especially if you're on cell phone or tablet. Remember, stay sane, my friends.